Cooking and storing rice for a whole week. I work long hours and my commute to work is about 2 hours long. When I get home, I basically grab a bite to eat and sleep. Recently, though, I have learned to cook a big portion of a meal to last me through the whole week. This way I can eat healthy instead of going to Chicken Zone, my local fried chicken shop. I have a couple questions with regards to rice. How do you cook it perfectly, each and every time, so that its softness is just right, and each grain is not stuck to the other? I use a gas cooker, oven, and my rice is Tilda Basmati. How can I safely store it in the fridge to last a week? Any help and advice would be greatly appreciated.
Don't put it in the fridge, that makes rice hard. Pack it in individual servings. Sandwich or snack-sized zipper bags are great for this, and put them in the freezer. When you reheat the rice, microwave or boil in the bag. The rice will be almost as good as freshly made. C. Safe to wash rice the night before and leave overnight before cooking. See link. 1. And rice gets burnt and watery. See link. 2. Basmati is just the same, should usually be rinsed though. Rice cooker, rinse the rice once or twice. Jasmine. Add 1/4 to 1/3 cup more water than rice. Basmati. Add 1/2 to 3/4 more water than rice. When the cooker is done, wait 15 to 20 minutes. Then, using a paddle that came with your cooker, gently push the rice from the edge of the cooker bowl to the center. The rice should come away from the bowl cleanly. Go around the bowl to fluff the rice. In a pot over gas, same water measurements as a rice cooker. You need to keep a watch on it to make sure you don't overcook it. Use a low to medium heat. About 30 minutes of cooking. Then wait as with a rice cooker before fluffing the rice. Steaming inside a bowl or Pyrex container and then placed in a steamer. I find I can get away with not rinsing using this method. Jasmine. Equal amounts of rice and water. Basmati. Add 1/4 to 1/3 more water than rice. Takes about 30 minutes, but handles overcooking pretty well. This is generally better for small servings, but due to the foolproofness of this method, it's useful. Storage. I find storing in the fridge is fine for up to a week. I just let it cool and put it in the fridge. The rice does become hard, but if you cover the rice when you microwave it, it's fine. It's also good to make fried rice.